Africa, sponsored by the Uncandid Podcast. Uncandid Podcast, sponsored by Satire. Anyway, like I was saying, who is it?
It's the shirt guy.
Again?
Shirt guy. Who ordered the, I will not round up for charity?
Right here, dude.
Am I uncanny here? What the hell do you think you're doing?
Learning about Cuba. Ordering some shirts from Satire.
Why do you shamelessly waste my time like this?
I've been thinking, Mr. Foot, if I'm here and you're here, doesn't that make it our time?
You know what, Miss Jacoby? It is our time. Yours, mine, everyone in this classroom.
It's Spacoby.
I don't give a fuck. Class, Miss Jacoby has kind enough to give us a shirt. Ingram Function, get your ass up here. It's a little tight. Thanks, Jacoby.